Adam here at the Gravity Performance Workshop. Today we're going to be looking at another performance game changer. We're going to be taking a look at our DPF delete downpipe for the BMW N47 engines. These are a perfect upgrade if you're looking to get a little bit more power and a little bit more torque out of your engine. Let's get the box open and see what's inside. Everything's carefully wrapped to keep this beauty safe during shipping. So here we have it, the star of the show, our 60mm DPF delete downpipe. These are Tig Welded and Mandrel Bent. They're designed to replace the restrictive OEM DPF. These are going to give you a lot better exhaust flow and a much needed performance boost. We use flexi joints to increase durability, and we've added the OEM sensor and breather ports, meaning that this is a direct replacement for the factory downpipe. Please note that these are for track and off-road use only, and we would recommend a professional for fitting. You can really feel the quality here. The T304 stainless steel is tough and corrosion resistant. Once installed, you can expect an increase in power and torque across the RPM range, a deeper exhaust note, and improved throttle response. Overall, the Gravity Performance DPF Delete Downpipe is an awesome upgrade for your N47 powered BMW. Head over to the website to grab yours. That'll be all from us. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.